Imagine a world where artificial intelligence helps you streamline your work, optimize your time, and boosts your productivity. Welcome to the world of Chat GPT, a revolutionary tool from OpenAI. Chat GPT is a language model that can generate human-like text. It's trained to understand context, answer queries, and even draft emails. It's your digital companion for writing, brainstorming, learning, and more. To use Chat GPT, simply input your text or question, and voila, you get a thoughtful, well-articulated response. It's like having a personal assistant that never sleeps. What's the benefit, you ask? Well, imagine drafting an email in half the time or getting instant answers to complex questions. With ChatGPT, you become more efficient, more productive. Work smart, not hard. Let ChatGPT be your secret weapon in the race against time. Remember, the future is not just about working harder, but working smarter. And ChatGPT is here to make that future a reality.